Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali, also called long jack, also called all sorts of other different names. This has been used actually in traditional Chinese medicine for quite some time. It's not that Ayurvedic medicine doesn't use it. It's just not to the same degree, I would say, as a lot of more of the TCM-based herbal formulas. Well, the nice thing is every single herb of the week that I bring you is going to be backed by science. So this particular herb, they're still doing a lot of research on it. When I mean a lot of research looking into, because they know that it helps with, I would say, more male sexual function and fertility-based function. So it can help with erectile dysfunction. It can help with male infertility. It can, and I have to say may before these, it may help with erectile dysfunction, even though there's good science behind showing that it does. It may help with male infertility. It may help with relieving stress in general. It may help with burning body fat, so getting leaner, and it may help boost testosterone as well. Now, there's some additional benefits, which it looks like it actually may help with fevers, bacterial infections, and more. So a pretty impressive product. Of course, we don't use it for bacterial-based issues or fever-based issues. That would never be my go-to. But I will tell you that this has been used for a long time. And the actual alkaloids and the flavonoids and the antioxidants help to support healthy levels of inflammation and also help to squelch free radical damage. Now, that alone can help with circulation, right? So that's a big part of it. That might be one of the reasons why it helps with erectile dysfunction. But also, we've got a lot of benefits in terms of male fertility. So helping with infertility as well as helping with testosterone levels. So this was a great study. It works for young men. It works for older men. This one was only using a 4-week study, which means that it would probably work even better longer term. But this was done in older men with low testosterone, and they found that it increased hormones to normal levels in 90% of participants. That's a pretty impressive study right there, right? Pretty impressive study. And it also stimulates sexual, well, let's say libido, and improves erectile dysfunction. So if there's any meal-based issues, this is a product I would definitely look at. It's one of the reasons why we also included it. Now, it can be taken on its own. Just want to state that, okay? It can be taken on its own. It can be taken at 100 milligrams, 200 milligrams. Some people even take more, up to 300 milligrams. I probably wouldn't go above 300 milligrams, but I think 100 milligrams is a good starting point for many men. We put it in our daily testosterone support. We're definitely a believer in this, but we're a bigger believer in synergies. So again, I'm a big fan of synergies. So we added with this the vitamin C, the zinc, the boron, the epimedium, the Asian ginseng root, the dim, which helps for not convert to estrogen, maca, tribulus, as well as ashwagandha. So if you're really looking to boost testosterone, honestly, this is the product, Daily Testosterone Support. But I would also, of course, you should be using the Daily Nutritional Support. But I would also add 2 other products. We'll be putting this on the website soon. But again, you can get this anywhere. So trust me, like I said, you can work with your local naturopathic doctor. You can work with your integrative practitioner. Use whatever products they recommend. If you trust them, great, fantastic. But what I do in helping with men, and I've done this for many, many years, this Daily Testosterone Support, but also add 5 milligrams of DHEA in the morning, add 5 in the evening or at night, and which is a small dose of DHEA. And you can do that for 12, 16 weeks if you're under the age of like 50, 55, then you can wean off. And I would do vitamin D. Most of the guys I work with that are adults need 4,000 IUs of vitamin D per day. So that's that. And it works incredibly well.